So this drone has 7 different cameras on board, 1 for photo and video, and 6 others for the autopilot. All you have to do is throw this GPS beacon in your pocket and it'll chase you at up to 36 miles per hour. You can set it to film you from a certain direction, distance, or just have it orbit. There's also this drag and drop option that is insanely cool. Its ability to avoid obstacles while staying up with you is seriously impressive. Even if it loses you, it knows where to find you again thanks to the beacon. It can be a bit quirky at times, so I wouldn't use it in places crowded with people, busy roads, and its nemesis is super thin branches. But for more manual control, there is a standard controller. It's not my favorite controller ever, but it'll still dodge obstacles and can do cool things like 360 preview during panoramic shots and keyframing, where you can map out a complex shot and run it slow, fast, or backwards. I made an in-depth Skydio 2 video if you want to learn more, but since then the Skydio 2 Plus came out, which is basically the same but with better range and battery life. Bottom line, I reach for my DJI when I need portability, a better camera, and manual flying, but I'll grab the Skydio 2 Plus when I want it to fly itself and can stay up without crashing.